This sprawling operation begins at the source, high-quality poultry farms, where precise biosecurity standards.
The journey of quality begins with controlled transportation, moving prime poultry cuts under strict temperature regulation to the
Only cuts that display pristine color consistency and optimal texture are permitted to advance, upholding the non-negotiable standard of freshness. The raw product is efficiently transferred onto a high-capacity, dedicated stainless steel conveyor system for initial handling and inspection.
An intense pre-wash utilizing purified, chilled water jets removes surface impurities, preparing the poultry for more detailed processing.
Trained technicians perform meticulous visual checks, identifying and isolating any material that does not meet the prescribed criteria before the automated stage.
Precision automation utilizes kinetic blades to segment the poultry into uniform portions, ensuring predictable cooking behavior and portion control.
Uniformly sectioned chicken pieces are gravity-fed into the next stage, maintaining an uninterrupted and swift product flow.
This overhead view captures the disciplined movement of the protein, a critical early step in mass-scale quality preparation. Every component is analyzed in transit. This dedicated focus confirms the structural integrity essential for the subsequent breading and frying phases.
The chicken enters the high-capacity tumbler, initiating the first flavor infusion through precise application of.
Under continuous controlled rotation, the meat absorbs the core seasoning blend, guaranteeing an even flavor penetration across all surfaces.
Sophisticated control systems monitor the tumbling cycle, ensuring optimal marinade uptake based on real-time mass and temperature metrics.
The primary marinade process concludes, and the seasoned product proceeds on a secondary line toward the crucial breading preparation phase.
A rapid thermal drop stabilizes the protein's surface, a key technical prerequisite for superior coating adherence in the upcoming stage. The controlled chilling process minimizes moisture loss while ensuring the meat retains its essential structural integrity for frying. Advanced robotics gently organizes the uniform chicken pieces onto specialized stainless steel trays, optimizing the feed rate for the breading process. This meticulous arrangement is vital. Precise spacing prevents clumping, which is detrimental to the final product's texture and crust formation. The processing line now transitions to the breading stage, where controlled pneumatic systems achieve the signature crust profile.
The chicken receives an initial coating of liquid batter, a proprietary blend engineered for maximum adhesion and moisture retention during cooking.
The wet batter forms a crucial molecular link between the chicken surface and the dry flour coating that follows, setting the foundation for the crispy texture.
Immediately, the product moves into the large-capacity dry breading chamber, where the structural layer of the crust is precisely applied.
Finely milled flour, stabilized for high-temperature frying, is evenly dispersed, creating the characteristic rugged and crunchy surface texture.
The breaded chicken, now perfectly textured, is ready for the thermal processing that will define its final quality and flavor profile. The prepared pieces enter the high-volume continuous frying system, submerging in purified, thermostatically controlled vegetable oil.
The intense, calibrated heat rapidly caramelizes the flour coating, sealing in the chicken's internal moisture and creating the golden exterior. Process control is paramount. Automated systems maintain the oil's temperature with sub-degree precision for consistent cooking performance and product safety.
Slowly, the conveyor guides the product through the thermal zone, a controlled kinetic path ensuring every piece reaches the required core temperature uniformly.
Upon exit, the fully cooked product undergoes rapid draining, utilizing specialized mesh belts to immediately remove excess oil from the surface. Controlled vibration assists the draining process, minimizing residual oil content to achieve the desired crisp texture without excessive greasiness. The fried product is transferred to a controlled thermal holding area, maintaining the critical surface temperature required for optimal glaze adhesion. Non-contact infrared sensors continuously monitor the chicken surface, ensuring the ideal thermal gradient is achieved just before the sauce application. This buffer stage is essential in the high-speed production environment, synchronizing the frying output with the glaze delivery system. The perfectly crisp exterior, the result of precise temperature control, is now prepared to receive the complex flavor layer. Meanwhile, in the dedicated liquid kitchen, the proprietary formula for the signature fish sauce glaze begins its complex synthesis. The foundation ingredient, a premium fermented anchovy essence, is carefully metered into the preparation vessel, defining the umami core.
This sterile environment is dedicated to precise flavor construction, where chemical engineering meets culinary expertise.
My-grade aromatics are milled to a uniform, fine paste, ensuring rapid flavor release during the cooking process.
Automated reduction guarantees consistency, yielding a perfectly standardized aromatic component for the glaze.
Select chili peppers are introduced, providing the essential visual vibrancy and the calibrated level of heat required by the recipe.
The intense, fresh chili paste is instantaneously routed to the thermal processing unit, minimizing volatile flavor loss.
The base essence is transferred into a temperature-jacketed vessel, initiating the controlled thermal phase of the glaze synthesis. Precisely weighed sugar is added, designed to achieve the critical sweet and sour balance against the fish sauce's inherent salinity.
Continuous stirring promotes rapid dissolution, ensuring the sugar fully integrates before the cooking process intensifies.
The aromatic pastes are combined with the warmed fish sauce, commencing the slow cook phase to marry the complex flavor molecules.
Gentle thermal elevation allows the complex flavor molecules to fully integrate without scorching, a crucial step for achieving the signature depth. Natural hydrocolloids are introduced to refine the rheology of the glaze, ensuring it retains its glossy texture and optimal adherence to the fried surface.
Slow, sustained agitation prevents clumping, allowing the thickening agents to hydrate fully and impart the desired, luxurious mouthfeel. The sauce reaches its final, engineered viscosity, a perfect equilibrium between fluidity for application and adherence for freezing.
Quality assessment includes verifying density and optical clarity, ensuring the sauce is visually flawless and chemically balanced.
The acidity level is meticulously confirmed, a critical parameter for both flavor stability and microbiological safety throughout the product's lifespan. A final pass through the homogenizer refines the sauce's texture, breaking down any residual particles for The resulting liquid is a triumph of industrial formulation, ready to deliver the signature intense flavor profile. Chlorus. The perfected glaze is maintained at a precise, elevated temperature, optimized for immediate and uniform.
The warm, crispy chicken pieces are synchronously fed into the high-tech glazing system, commencing the flavor coating stage.
This fully automated kinetic process guarantees that every single piece receives the exact prescribed volume and thickness of the signature sauce.
The product is momentarily submerged under a controlled cascade of the warm, viscous glaze, achieving total surface saturation.
The rapid coating action ensures the glaze adheres perfectly to the hot, porous crust, creating an instantaneous layer of flavor and gloss.
Excess glaze is allowed to drain, and the finished product proceeds to the critical temperature stabilization zone.
The finished product undergoes a stringent ultraviolet inspection, revealing any minute imperfections or contaminants invisible to the naked eye. Optical scanning verifies the monolithic and uniform coverage of the glaze, rejecting any pieces with incomplete or uneven coating.
Automated precision is non-negotiable. Any deviations in product quality are instantly removed from the production flow.
The product enters the cryotunnel, initiating the rapid thermal shock necessary to preserve the texture and lock in the flavor compounds. The intense freezing process ensures that large ice crystals, which compromise texture, are prevented from forming within the chicken or the glaze.
The product emerges perfectly stabilized, the glaze is solid, the crust remains crisp, and the core temperature is safely lowered.
Final temperature verification confirms the product has achieved the necessary deep freeze state for the next stages of high-speed packaging. The individual, now frozen pieces are routed to the multi-head weigher, ensuring every package will contain the exact prescribed mass.
Advanced algorithms select the optimal combination of frozen pieces to match the precise target weight for the retail unit.
The fully automated vertical form fill seal system is prepared to transform high barrier film into protective, frozen food grade packaging.
Proprietary film is guided through the forming process, creating a sterile, structurally sound pouch ready to receive the frozen product.
The perfectly weighed product drops directly into the open film pouch, minimizing exposure and maximizing the speed of the line. Extreme thermal compression instantly and hermetically seals the package, creating an impermeable barrier against atmospheric contaminants. The newly sealed unit is released onto the high-speed outfeed conveyor for labeling and final inspection procedures. A small sample of packages is pulled for destructive testing, ensuring the integrity of the seal can withstand the rigors. Every single unit passes through a multi-frequency metal detection system, the last line of defense against any minute foreign object contamination.
High-speed serialization prints essential traceability and shelf life data directly onto the packaging for absolute product traceability across all distribution channels.
The flexible packaging is prepared for insertion into the secondary paperboard carton, enhancing stability and providing retail branding surface.
Robotic arms organize the primary packages into precise formations, optimized for a tight, efficient fit inside the retail carton.
The mechanical choreography is executed with sub-millimeter precision, ensuring zero physical damage to the primary protective packaging.
Pre-folded, high-quality cartons are formed and presented to the packing station, ready to receive the predetermined number of retail units.
A synchronized mechanical plunger gently inserts the entire stack of frozen chicken portions into the awaiting protective carton.
Industrial-grade adhesive application instantaneously secures the carton flaps, guaranteeing the package remains sealed throughout the cold chain. A final label application confirms the specific product variant, batch number, and destination code for optimized inventory management. Accurate label placement is critical for the subsequent logistics and automatic sorting systems within the distribution chain.
The final consumer-ready units are rapidly routed to the palletizing zone, the transition point to bulk logistics.
Powerful robotic cells begin the systematic and repetitive task of assembling the finished cartons into massive, stable shipping units. The palletizing robot follows complex pattern logic, maximizing the load-bearing capacity and stability of the frozen cargo.
Each carton is positioned precisely, interlocking with the layers below to withstand dynamic forces during transportation and storage.
Layer by layer, the system builds the full pallet, optimizing the geometry to resist compression and lateral movement. The integrity of the glaze starts with the raw ingredients, specifically the fish sauce base, which undergoes intensive pre-processing analysis. Advanced spectroscopic analysis confirms the exact nitrogen content and salinity, validating the source purity and concentration of the primary ingredient. Quantitative data ensures the consistency of the crucial flavor markers, allowing for precise formulation adjustments in the master batch.
Volatile flavor compounds, like high-purity garlic extract, are weighed and dosed at the microgram level for flavor amplification.
Automated precision injection minimizes handling errors and guarantees that the powerful aromatic notes are perfectly balanced in the final glaze.
A highly advanced ozone sterilization wash ensures that fresh ingredients are microbiologically safe before entering the processing kitchen.
Industrial sustainability protocols mandate thermal efficiency. Residual heat from the cooking process is captured and repurposed.
Sophisticated PID algorithms maintain the cooking temperature with near zero deviation, preventing thermal degradation of the delicate flavor molecules.
Vacuum mixing prevents aeration and foam formation, ensuring the final glaze is perfectly smooth, glossy, and resistant to oxidation. The fully cooked glaze undergoes a final, high-pressure microfiltration stage, eliminating particulates for a superior textural mouthfeel. Post-filtration examination confirms the efficiency of the physical barriers, underscoring the commitment to product purity.
Final rheological verification ensures the glaze will perform optimally in both the high-speed coating machine and upon consumer reheating. The culmination of the process is the final product, now entering the highly scrutinized performance testing phase. Non-destructive testing measures the exact thickness of the glaze, confirming that the automated application meets dimensional specifications. This micro-level data confirms consistency, ensuring that the critical sweet and sour flavor intensity is uniform across the entire batch.
The mechanical integrity of the fried crust is assessed. A specific force profile is required for the desired crisp and satisfying texture.
Quantitative data on crunch confirms that the frying and glazing processes have successfully maintained the necessary structural firmness. This sensory validation provides the final human oversight, ensuring the premium technical process delivers an exceptional culinary experience.
The fully stacked shipping units enter the high-tension wrapping enclosure for stabilization and maximum protection against environmental factors.
Specialized high-performance stretch film is applied under extreme tension, unitizing the load to withstand dynamic forces during transit.
The final logistics unit is now fully secured, validated, and ready for movement into the vast, temperature-controlled facility. A highly trained operator prepares to integrate the finished goods into the massive automated inventory management system. The unitized cargo is handled with precision, maintaining the structural integrity of the deep frozen product throughout the transfer path. The facility operates on a disciplined, synchronized flow, with every movement optimized to maximize efficiency and inventory accuracy.
The cavernous deep freeze logistics center, awaiting its scheduled distribution sequence. A dense plume of cryovapor escapes the deep freeze vault, underscoring the extreme sub-zero temperatures required for product preservation. High bay robotics seamlessly integrate the pallet into the vertical storage matrix, maximizing density and minimizing direct human access.
This monolithic frozen archive represents the vast scale of the manufacturing output, holding millions of units. Upon receiving a logistics command, the automated system quickly retrieves the specific batch required for the outgoing shipment.
Precision movement ensures zero impact on the frozen cargo, maintaining absolute quality during the high-speed retrieval process.
Cured product exits the controlled environment, its quality perfectly preserved, prepared for transport to diverse global markets. The final stage of the cold chain logistics begins as the specialized temperature-controlled transport aligns with the insulated loading area. An inflatable seal ensures a near-perfect thermal barrier, preventing any temperature deviation during the transfer of the frozen goods. Expert operators meticulously load the freight, maximizing space utilization while strictly adhering to critical weight distribution guidelines. The frozen cargo is secured using specialized mechanical restraints, guaranteeing stability during the dynamic.
A final, mandated thermal audit confirms that the climate inside the transport unit meets the non-negotiable deep freeze requirements.
The cargo is officially sealed, and a numbered security lock ensures the product's integrity and safety remain absolute until the final recipient. This small physical component represents the large-scale commitment to uncompromising product security throughout the entire transit route. The high-value product embarks on its journey, a critical leg where the commitment to thermal stability is constantly tested by external conditions.
High-speed logistics minimize transport time, ensuring the frozen product reaches its designated distribution center with maximum efficiency.
The primary long-haul transport completes its segment, transferring the consolidated cargo to a major localized logistics facility. The product is immediately reintegrated into a regional cold storage system, ready for the crucial final mile delivery scheduling.
Localized delivery vehicles are precisely loaded, preparing the required quantities for scheduled, just-in-time service to retail locations. The product is, in its final approach, the culmination of a vast industrial effort to supply the modern consumer market efficiently.
The receiving retail staff perform a final visual inspection, verifying the condition of the cartons before display preparation. The product is presented for sale in the high-visibility retail freezer, completing its long, engineered journey from raw material to market shelf. The perfectly engineered package and the promise of premium quality await the consumer's final selection.
The end-user choice validates the entire complex manufacturing and logistics operation, concluding the supply chain cycle.